I honestly can't believe I'm in fan in this weather. Jesus Christ, it's warm. Right, I'm going to be finishing the electrics. Right, wiring loom. Looking at these, that's there is going to go to the pump. That big in there, obviously, main one, it's got to go to the unit itself, and that has got to go to the hurdy-gurdy controller. You've only got a short earth, but a long lead electric. So let's jol on, eh? Ages ago, when I threaded everything, I left one of these. So I'm hoping I'll be able to pull the live through. Regarding the earth, I might pick this up. Where are we? There. I could pick this earth up here, but I don't know if it'll reach, to be quite honest. That's it. That's that connected. That has got to go to the pump. Fantastic. The earth, yeah, it'll reach this earth point there. Right, obviously this goes on the pump. I'm hoping I get it the right way. Whew. Bloody hell, it's warm. Put that into this earth block here. Well, it's not an earth block actually, but it'll do. Just the earth now. Not the earth, sorry, the live. Like I say, add some of this string. Now whether it's going to work, I don't know. In fact, I better make sure it's still coming out of the side, don't I? Right, that's that through. So I'll pull a bit back actually. What I'm going to do after is I don't know, but I want to tidy these up. This is the controller, and you know there's one thing I hate, that wires showing. Why? Why? If I could find a way to get that coming off the back, I'd do it. Oh, you know. Here we go. Oh, I can't believe that with that wire. Right, there's me all. Right. What I'm going to do is offer it in, and then I can mark where this, because that there comes off, which you know. Right, there we have it. Well, I'm saying we have it. Wait for silicon to dry a bit, and then just pull it through. It'll go. Look, as it moves. Right.